Okay, I've completed the job. As I told you before, this was the cause of us getting very low water volume in the house. It was my chlorinator, and I had this little thing on it. A little adapter, because I had previously cracked this T right here, screwing the injector into it, and I was taking it out often to clean it, and I didn't want to crack it anymore because then I was cutting and gluing and stuff. But now, since it's been upside down, it's worked wonderful for a long time. So I thought I would eliminate this to eliminate all that extra space where chlorine can sit. And I cut off the tip of the chlorinator, or the injector, so it was just above the top of the T, so that water will constantly run across it, right? So I won't get any chlorine buildup there again, I hope. And I cleaned this all up, right? Got rid of all those shutoffs and all those angles and stuff, so it goes straight across here and then straight down the wall and over to the pressure tank. But and then back over here straight into my settling tank. So let me go turn on the this is a faucet, a spigot way out in the garage, and even out here you see we got plenty of volume now, lots of pressure and lots of volume. So my wife is going to be really happy with me today when she gets home. So that's my struggles with a clogged pipe and no water volume in the house. I hope it saves you some money. That's why I make all of these videos, to save you time and save you money. If you find that it helped you out, tell everybody else, tell your friends, and subscribe to my channel, so when I create a new series like this, you'll hear about it. Thanks again. My name is Keen M on YouTube. Thanks.